silver. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer back to my last video when the price was exactly here, okay, we I mentioned that we are expecting the price to drop here. That's why I highlighted that we are expecting to get similar to what we have here. Even I draw there, then to get the flat, then we look for buy. For more information what we were talking, you can refer to my last video, but what we can see here, what we anticipated, what we expected right now happen, the price drop. Okay, now the question is how deep this one can go. Whether, because in my last video when the price was here, we see we are expecting the price to drop similar to what we have here, then we get the flat for buy. Okay, now the question whether the price from here can move up or can drop some more, even it can test this low or even the break this low. Any of them can happen. That means the price, if the flat can be similar to what we have here, move up, or the price come to this low, reverse, or break the low. Any of these flat can happen. Okay, but what we are expected, what we are interested, we want to get the buy, move up. Do we have any buy setup right now? We don't have. We need to get the buy setup before we trade. Okay, but before that, one thing I need to highlight here. If we draw this line here, this trend line here, is it possible we look for sell? Because as we can see, the chart break the line. Okay, if we get any correction here, a small correction, then still there is a possibility for one move down. That means we can look for sell. Okay, and if we get this sell, as long as the price come to somewhere around here, this low or this, it depends where we take the trade, or maximum here, we move our stop loss in break even, because just now we mentioned that we are more interested in up move. But before that, if we can get this trade, it's okay, we can take it, because we see we are not sure how deep this one can be, whether the price from here can reverse or lower or even break this low. That's why if we get the opportunity for sell, we can take it before we take the buy. Why we want to take this sell? Because in case whatever we have here is finished and this is the one is moving down, then at least we are in the trade. But that's mean also there is a possibility the price can drop. It doesn't mean all the way the price can go up. Okay, but our analysis says we are expecting the price can move up. It means we are more interested, based on the analysis, based on the information we have it, we are more interested. We get this correct flat in relative to this, then we are more interested in this buy. This is what we wanted. If we can get this, good. And before we get this, if we get any sell setup short term, we can take it. Okay, in this case we move to 4 hour chart. We want to see, do we have any information there? No much different. Okay, as we just mentioned, how are we going to trade? We just follow the chart and see how we can trade it, and whether we can get any trade setup or not. And you can refer to my last video, because in my last video I analyzed the chart based on the 4 hours and daily chart based on the long term, what we are expecting. For more information, we can refer to my last video. Thanks.